This is a video of my 2011 Volkswagen Touareg hybrid. It rained here in Southern California, so it's a little dirty, but as you can see, it's in pretty good condition. No door dings or other body damage. Missing the little Y on the hybrid there. Moving around to the back. Again, no real issues to point out other than, again, missing the Y on the hybrid. It seemed to lose that in the car washes. Opted to go with the roof rack and tire because of the hybrid. There's no spare, and I was taking this on trips up to Mammoth and did not like not having a spare. Never needed it, but it's a good insurance policy to have. Again, no real damage to point out. Let's go give it a start.